the morning.
I like mine with a kiss.
Boiled or fried.
I'm satisfied as long as
hea, kui elus on ägedaid äratusi, selliseid äratusi, mis viivad sind rutiinist välja ja aitavad maailma hoopis teistmoodi näha. Üks neist oli meil täna, kus me koos oma naabrite, Südameapteegi toredate inimestega võtsime kätte ja tegime munahommiku. Meie siin IT pealinnas ei muretse selle pärast, kumb oli enne, kas muna või oli see kana, aga meie teame seda, et enne rahulolevat klienti on alati õnnelik teenusepakkuja. Lust ja lõbu ning kuulumine NetGroupi kogukonda teeb NetGroupi inimesest parima IT pealinna IT inimese.
How do you like your eggs in the morning?
I like mine with a kiss.
Yeah, my name's Tim Bramage. I'm currently head chef at Kirk Restaurant in the Old Town in Tallinn. Before that, I primarily cooked in London. I've worked with some Michelin star guys as well. Bruce Poole, Jason Atherton, and the one everyone in Estonia knows is Gordon Ramsay. And so very similar to the event we had today with NetGroup and Südame's Apteek, we all cook together, and that's what the fun of cooking is. It's a social thing, everyone cooks together. You make mistakes, but that's life. We didn't make too many today, we made a bit of mess. But so yeah, with the group today we were cooking eggs. We only did 5 different ways of making eggs, I believe, but there's dozens and dozens. Breakfast, most important meal of the day. It gets you energized, it gets you ready to do all the hard work in the office. And my favorite breakfasts are actually what we did today, so have a great day.
I've got to have my love in the AM.
Oh, the rest of my day is positively.
Ja muideks, täna õhtu lähen peale tööd NetGroupi inimestega koos metsa jalgratastel kilomeetrid koguma. Lisaks tublidele tööinimestele oleme ka tublid spordimehed. IT pealinnas oled sa õnnelik.
Never frown. Eggs can be almost bliss, just as long as I get my kiss.